kailangan mo ng extra screen. Ito na yung pinakabago from TechLife. This is a portable monitor, 15.6 inches. Pwedeng-pwede kahit saan, very compatible. Laptop, consoles, smartphone, pati desktop computer. At ang specs, this is 1080p, refresh rate 60Hz. Ang maganda pa dito, meron na siyang free magnetic stand cover. Ayan guys, may cover na siyang kasama, may casing. At pwede na rin siyang stand. And guys, this is magnetic. And this is from TechLife. Solid guys, 15.6 inches. Ang kanyang ports, dalawang Type-C, isang mini HDMI. Sa kabilang side, may headphone jack, switcher, at source button. May user manual, meron ding Type-C to Type-C cable, HDMI to mini HDMI, Type-A to Type-C cable, at first time kong makakitang may 10-watt adapter. Type-C to Type-C connection mula sa ating laptop papunta sa ating TechLife portable monitor. Powered up guys. Type-C to Type-C only. Ayan. TLPM, TechLife portable monitor detected sa ating display. Ayan siya guys. And of course, pwedeng i-arrange kung paano yung setup mo. Of course, brightness din makokontrol. Ayan. So, from the laptop, pwede i-control yung brightness. Nice. So, dito rin guys, pwede mo i-extend or kung gusto mo naka-mirror, pwede. Ayan. Mirrored yung screen, parehas lang. So, depende sa kailangan mo. Pero ayan guys, usually, naka-extend tayo for multitasking. Ayan. Pwede ka mag 2 screens. Naka-extend siya. Very helpful for multitasking. And ang connection lang again, Type-C to Type-C. Kaya if you're a virtual assistant like me, tapos lagi ka nagta-travel, very helpful ang may portable monitor. Siyempre, connected sa ating main device, which is our laptop. You can work from anywhere, very helpful sa multitasking.